Recording. Yeah. So welcome everyone to this last week for the earlier students, last week for people who had continued from Agile and Scrum and transitioned into, business analysis, uh, means learning. So yeah, so today is, by the way, the 11th day of business analysis track, and it's a week 8, eighth week in the continuity and day one. And today we are going to learn something amazing, why the workshops and why the games are necessary and integral part of any agile scrum approach. Can anyone guess and tell before we get into this?
It gives a real life experience to us.
Okay, that's one. Thank you so much, Mayank, for adding. Who else? Mayank, call out someone's name so that we can hear from them. Mayank, you there?
Yeah, I said Rahul.
Oh, Rahul. So Rahul, what we are discussing over here, the importance of game in the Agile and Scrum, why games are integral part of Agile Scrum. So we would like to hear from you. What is your thought on that? Why one should be attending these games of Agile and Scrum? I hope, Rahul, you can hear us. Yes. So please add your thought.
Why do you want to?
So today, what we are going to do, today we are going to play some games, some virtual games. Just because of pandemic, this is not possible to, connect with the team and do offline games. And that's the reason the Agile industry has come up with the remote games. And we will be experiencing a couple of them. I was asking to the team that what is the importance of playing these Agile games or games in agility and Scrum. So what is your thought on that? Why it is important?
I think it will help us help us simulate the agile framework, how it happens in the real, sprints, and it will help us. I'm not sure. Maybe depending on the game plan, it will help us, work as a team because agile is all about collaboration. One of the basic tenets.
Yeah, wonderful. So thank you for sharing. Call out someone's name, please, quickly, Rahul. Let us hear from them as well. Any name you can call out someone's name, please.
Yeah, I would say Deepti.
Dipti, yes, go ahead.
Gauravji, I am so sorry. I was a little lost because I have to go upstairs quickly.
Okay.
So I'm
Let
just
me
gonna
repeat.
listen, and then maybe at the end I might say
Okay, so
something.
while
Sorry about
you,
that.
no worries. So meanwhile, can you call out someone's name quickly?
Yeah, I would say Chanchal.
Yeah, Chanchal.
Yes. In my opinion, games will help to understand the agile process easily and to motivate the employees of an organization.
Super. Yeah, call out someone's name, please.
Priya?
Priya.
Yeah, so I feel like games would actually give us a real-time experience. Plus, it would keep us engaged, and it'll be easy to remember when you put in your thoughts. Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Call out someone's name, please.
Who's left? I think Mayank. I think
He's
Mayank.
done. He's done.
Oh, maybe Nisha.
Yeah. Yes, Nisha.
Yeah, I would say it's teamwork, interaction with each other, and applying what we've actually learned in real life scenario.
Super, amazing. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. Thank you so much, Nisha. Let's give a big round of applause for everyone for your contribution, and it was phenomenal. everyone gave the correct answer. The main reason is about the collaboration in the Agile. So collaboration is the key. Second is the teamwork, and third is the engaging with everyone, and fourth is the very vital part. Okay, very important and vital part is the pulling out the lessons from the from the game we have played. Okay, so that's why it becomes quite vital to play game in Agile, and that's the reason the Agile approaches and Agile gurus, they made Agile workshops and games, even though they are not exactly about the Agile, but what all the values and the traits being an Agilian, you can bring out within you and bring out from you for the project. Okay, and that's the reason it has been really vital. Yeah. So are we ready to move forward towards the starting of this day? So are all of you are excited to learn what is coming on the way? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dipti, for the thumbs up. Thank you so much, Nisha, for response. So let me ask you this thing. How many of you have done how many of you have signed up for the Trello trial version? I believe Nisha has done, Priya has
I
done,
have
Dipti
done
has
it,
done.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
I have done.
thank you, Chanchal. Mayank, what about you?
Yeah, I've done it before.
Yeah. So Rahul,
Hey, Gaurav, before we start, I just want to
yes.
quickly pause you. Is Prerna ji's family okay? Everything fine? I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you guys. So Prerna ji is still with her mother, and she's taking care of that, and that's the reason, because of her full-time attention, she won't be able to, she was not able to join this call, and maybe the next call also she might not be able to join. Okay, so this is the information I have received from her. Okay.
I just wanted to. I was just concerned. Hope she's feeling better.
Yeah, she is better.
Regards to her.
Yeah. Thank you so much for asking, Mayank. So she is better. Only her mom needs some attention, so that's why she had to be with her. Okay. So some regular checkups and all are going on. So yeah. So that's it. That's about Prerna ji and her mother. She would be joining in the next week. Yeah, next week, say Tuesday onwards. Yeah, cool. So not Tuesday, Monday onwards. Yeah. So are we ready to move ahead, guys? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
give me a shout out. Thank you so much. So cool. So you have understood the importance of games in Agile. So let me share my PPT today with you guys. Before I bring the PPT, let me see if I have opened that up. The PPT, where it has gone. Yeah, it was open. So if you can see this, just show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up, or just say yes, whatever. Yeah, I hope you
Yes.
can. Thank you
Yes.
so much,
Yes.
Priya. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
yes.
so we had planned till week 6, but somehow we have landed up because of, a lot of concern and questions were answered on the way, and somewhere we have touched the week 8, and that's totally okay and fair. Okay. So in this week 8, last time we underwent some life cycle about healthcare industry, banking and payment, and insurance. Anyone remember that? Can someone, before we move ahead towards the game, can someone quickly share that what do you remember from last time? What do you remember? Tell me one single
Health.
word. Yeah, healthcare life cycle, from where it started. Can someone just introduction,
Growth.
Then growth,
yes,
maturity,
yes.
and decline.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause for who all have shared. Thank you so much for sharing, guys, and coming up with the knowledge. Thank you so much, Dipti, for appreciating people. So yeah. So what about this thing? What do you remember in payment? Anything, whatever you could remember. So can someone tell? Keyword will be suffice. Yeah, man, please go ahead.
Everything goes to the federal government.
Everything goes to Federal Bank of America. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Anyone else? Anyone else would like to add something? Anyone else? Who else?
And the transactions happen electronically.
Yeah, transaction happens electronically. Yeah, cool. So let's move to insurance. Who remember any keyword for insurance in the life cycle? Tactic one. Who is going to grab the opportunity to share? Yeah, Rahul.
Quote.
Quote. Okay. Who else would like to add? After quote,
Yes,
what is it? Yes, the
policy.
policy. Yeah, policy life cycle. Can you share some another word apart from policy? Dipti.
No, I cannot think about anything.
Okay. Think. Who else would
Yes.
like to add?
Premium.
Premium. Okay. Premium gets calculated through rating engine. Yeah, that's in insurance. Yeah, man. Claim. Yes. Who else?
Billing and
Renewal.
endorsement.
Billing and endorsement. Wonderful. Yeah. Who else? Nisha with G.
Renewal.
Renewal. Amazing. Awesome. Who else would like to add something?
Cancellation.
Cancellation. Yes. Who else remember anything else? All right. So that's enough. So okay. So let me quickly, because we were talking about the last domain. It was insurance. So to just let you know, Rahul well said, it was quote, and then it was from quote it becomes the issued or active, and then from issued or active, rightly said by Priya as well about endorsement, and correctly added by all of you, Chanchal, Mayank, and Nishaji and Dipti, that next after endorsement it happens what you can cancel any point of time, and once you cancel you can reinstate the policy as well once it gets reinstated, or even if it is new, and as an annuity it gets renewed, and just before renewal it gets some renewal notification. So that's all about from last time. So let me go back to my slide and reshare the PPT with you. Yes, this is what we had done last time, and what you did exactly after learning this. So what happened, what exactly you guys did. So when we are asking about this, let me ask you this thing else also. How many of you still are undergoing this audio listening program for every day with Earl Nightingale? So how many of you are listening to Stranger Secret of the World with stated by Earl Nightingale, the audio I have recommended?
I'm very irregular.
Okay, you are
But I
irregular.
do.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, thank you
But
for
once,
being
yeah.
honest. Yeah, thank you for being honest, Dipti. Who else would like to say? Yes, Nishaji.
I am listening to it every day, but
Awesome,
on a
awesome.
higher speed, a double
On a-
speed.
yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
even higher than that.
No worries. You are being regular. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for being honest and, dedicated and integrated. It shows the level of intention and intensity. Who else? Yeah, Rahul.
I listen to it every day in the morning.
Awesome. Amazing. Who else? Even if you are irregular, you can just say like Dipti. So yeah. So we will come to.
Sometimes I listen, sometimes I miss. So
Okay,
it's
no
very
worries.
like-
Thank you so much for remembering.
Yeah, me
this.
too sometimes.
Yeah. So let me requote what Earl Nightingale has said, and it that day it became my continuity day. Okay, and every single day I'm listening to Earl Nightingale. So first, when I heard from Earl Nightingale says that, means I'm sharing my revelation. So it said that so the moment you get impacted by your external world. Okay, so listen to this quote very closely. Reason being why I'm sharing, because the insight was you are not manager of your life. You are the creator of your circumstances. So you don't have to be manager of your life. Okay, so create your own circumstances so that you can take responsibility of your own life. And what I heard from Earl Nightingale when he was saying that the moment you get impacted by outer world and get negatively influenced, that day you decide to, you know, drop it by. Okay, drop it by means you skip that day, you don't listen to the 30 days of, you know, stranger secret. So I am not asking you to uh, uh, do the assignments what Earl Nightingale has said. So, but you do that until you realize that the importance of that. Like he has asked for the creating goal card, so you can do that. So yeah, so this was all about that. And after that, one point I wanted to ask you guys that what did you follow after learning the life cycle? So what exactly happened after learning the life cycle? Life happened, or you just went ahead and did some research work and went inside at the deeper level to learn more about the life cycle? Would like to hear from you quickly without wasting time. Yeah. So Rahul, would you like to add something over here? What exactly happened? Did you try to, because I understand that you are more focused towards your work, so you might have not gone, so it was not expected from you, but I still would like to hear from you.
I'm sorry, the question you have.
Yeah, the question is that last time we learned about the life cycle. I understand that you are already working in some different domain, so it is not expected from you to go ahead and explore the new domain, but still I would like to hear from you what exactly happened. Did you go back and explore the life cycle at the deeper level, or you just heard it and went back?
Well, a little bit. I didn't research, but I kind of tried to rehash what I learned in the business school about life cycle, because when you are in business school, they do teach you about, for example, the good matrix which you and Prerna ji shared with us about those 4 areas of, SWOT analysis.
Yeah.
When you are in business school, they teach you that.
Yeah.
Also, I remember this, being taught. So it's interesting that I was able to relate to what I was taught like 8-10 years ago.
Okay, thank you so much, Rahul. So Dipti, would you like to say something? I would like to hear from you. So did you find time to go ahead and explore, or couldn't?
No, I couldn't.
Thank you so much. Priya, what about you?
I couldn't either, sir.
Okay, no worries. Anisha ji, what about you?
Yeah, I read up a little on healthcare life cycle.
Awesome.
Little more on all the floor processes which go.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, Chanchal, what about you?
Sorry, I couldn't.
Okay, Mayank, what about you?
Oh,
Okay, so your no was so silent that I couldn't hear it well. So you can be a bit louder. I think it was no only. So yeah. So no worries. So thank you so much, Nishaji, and I really appreciate that. So every time you try to connect something out, and extension is the keyword for today, that keep connected, keep extended your knowledge. So thank you so much for being honest and sharing this with me. So let's move ahead and come back over here. So what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn and play some amazing we are going to play something games in Trello. We are going to play. I believe everyone has the Trello account, so let me open my Trello. So what I'm going to do is, let me ask you guys if you can see my screen and see the browser over here. Yeah, yes, can you?
Yes.
Can someone shout out? Thank you so much, Nishaji. Yes. So guys, the importance of acknowledgement is really great. You should know what you acknowledges back to you. Okay, so this is the life theory. Okay, so I want everyone to log into your Trello account, and while you are logging in, log in from computer, so that you should be able to do that. So what I'm going to tell you, what exactly happens. So when you will log into your Trello account, you can see here board. Here is the home. When you click on the home, you can design your own workspace. Say for example, I'm keep giving the name of this workspace as Guru Schools. Okay. And choose type. So type could be education. Okay. Description, I'm giving it a name. Okay. Games. You continue that. And I'm not inviting right now anyone, but I'll give the opportunity everyone to share their screen. So what exactly we are going to do is this, inside this workspace, I'm going to create a new board. Okay. So in new board, I can give us any single name. So in this new board, since it could be about, say, one thing, what I'm speaking, I'm talking. Okay. So let's use a
Why don't
word.
we do the old, Gauraji, why don't we do the old mind map which we created on, what was that?
Mind map?
In the mind map we created, right? The credit card features and stuff.
Yeah.
Can we do that?
No. We are going to play the things in the Trello. So let's bring out your Trello, create a workspace inside that. What we are going to do, I'm going to explain you that. So mind map won't be there today. So yeah, we will play in the Trello.
No, I'm not saying do the mind map. I'm trying
Okay.
to say, like, what we did for the credit card features, can we have that with this?
No.
It won't work. Okay.
No. It's not about it won't work or not, because I have planned something for you guys, and that's why I'm going to do that. Okay. So let's not.
Yeah, we were to read about some city and talk
Yeah.
about that.
Hang on. We'll go over there. So let's go ahead with how I have planned the things for you. So I'm just giving you example. First, learn. You know already how to design Trello cards or something, Mayank?
No.
Okay. So let's learn through this small exercise, that how you can create your board in Trello. So what I am going to do, I created. Yes, Nisha.
Can you repeat from the beginning that you click on that home icon and then?
Yeah. So guys, understand that what we are going to do is you need to follow some instruction. Okay. I want your 100% participation. Listen to every single rules and regulation properly. Okay. Because from here, your learning is starting. Your game is starting. So are you all with me so far right now? Shout yes together. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you, Chanchal, and thank you, Nisha. Who else is not here with me? Dipti, Mayank, Rahul.
No, I'm here. I gave you the thumbs up.
Okay, thank you. I couldn't see that. Thank you. So what we are going to do, log into Trello. The moment you log in, go to homepage. In homepage, create your own workspace. You click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, I named it as Guru School. You can create your own workspace. You can name it anything. Then I choose it. The task I'm going to create for education purpose. So I chose workspace type as education, and then I wrote some description. Once it was done, then I went inside the Guru School's workspace. And when I came inside Guru School workspace, I have some board to be created. So what I'm going to do is next is create a new board. So in new board, I'm coming up with one anything. Say for example, Rahul, yeah, tell me.
You created a workspace called Guru School, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm having, okay, good.
So you can create a newer version. You should not be using your Office Trello account. That's what my recommendation would be. Okay. So you can sign up for the new Trello account with your personal email IDs. So yeah. So here one thing comes in my mind: chat. Okay. Or say chatter. Chatter is a word. So when the moment I created the word chatter, what I want everyone to create the similar word as chatter. So the board is created. Board name is chatter, and inside I'm creating something else. Okay. Inside I'm creating something else. Wait a second. Inside I'm creating something else. The name is mentioned in this list is chat. Okay. Now chat talk, and speak. Okay. So under chatter, there are some list I'm adding. One more card: chatter, chat, talk, and speak. So just these are the example I'm giving you. Okay. Now, the moment I ask, talk about the chat, and everyone has created this list inside you, I want you to open that up. Okay. Click over here. Give me a second. Why it's not opening? Okay, it's not listed. Yeah, so what you have to do is this: you have to just simply click on that card, click on the list, the next list. The moment you click on that, you need to describe that. Go ahead, talk and chat are synonym. Just I'm giving for example. The point is not here what you're typing in description. The point comes over here. Now for this card, this talk, we are going to find something, some GIF. Okay, the word has come in my mind is talk. The another word can come that working on computer. The another word can come that helping others. The another word come that golfing. The another word can come as cricket, anything. So the moment I say one word to all of you, I want you to go ahead and create a card. Okay, make that in a list, and in that I want you to add some attachment. Say for example, I need to for chatting, I will go ahead in giphy.com. I need to find some funny stuff. Okay, some funny stuff. Say for example, I'm going to giphy.com. Giphy is Giphy comes with a lot of GIFs. So I will search here chat. Okay, I have searched the chat, and the moment I search the chat, I got lot many GIFs. I'll search more since I started with chatter. Let me search about this, what chatter word brings. Okay, it has not brought anything for me. Okay, so you are following what exactly I have done so far. Okay, so for this, this is the funniest stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to download it or copy it. Okay, so copy link address. I will come over here, and what I'm going to do is this description I have noted. I'm going to attachment. In the attachment, I have the link. I have just pasted the link. Okay, so and I'll say attach. So not sure whether it will give me the correct version or not. Otherwise, what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I will download it. Once it is downloaded, I will go back to attachment. Okay, I will go back to this and add a new one. Okay, attachment, going back to attachment. So wait a second. Going back to attachment, I'm going to computer. I have chosen one GIF now, and I have added it. Okay, so everyone has to follow this. The moment one word is said by everyone, everyone will go back to the giphy.com, or you can choose to go to any another place. And what you will do, you will add an emoji, or you can add some GIF from your end. Okay, so for example, the moment I said chatter, okay, you guys came back on this list. You added the word chatter in the list, and you go back and search on the browser, download that image and upload that. Okay, the moment say understand in the different way. Say for example, Mayank says that microphone. Okay, talk on microphone. Mayank said that. Everyone will of us will go back to our Trello account. We will create a list with the label microphone, microphone, or whatever he said. Okay, and we will search for SGIF, and we will pull that inside. We will attach that in our card. So once the card is done, then everyone will go ahead and share your screen, and we will see that what kind of picture you have uploaded. Okay, are you there with me so far? You have understood what is the rule over here till now?
No, sir, I'm not able to
Hopefully,
catch it. I think
yes.
I'm lost.
Okay, so who has got that rule till now?
I think I did that.
Oh.
I'm gonna share my screen in few minutes. Let me
Okay.
try to attach the final thing.
Okay, can you repeat whatever I have said so far?
Oh God, no.
Okay, so
Because I was just clicking somewhere and then I found
Okay. So
what you said.
step number one, go back, go to your Trello account, create a workspace, and create a board, and come to this page. In this page, you will find the list. In this list, you have to type a description of the person who will quote a word. Okay, once you type that, what is going to happen? Just give me a second. What is going to happen? Every one of us will go to web or Chrome, to search engine, and we will search the relevant keyword, and we will try to find out its relevant GIF images, the moving images, animated images, and we will upload that. How we will upload that? Just we clicked on that list and we went to attachment, and we we uploaded it from our computer, wherever we had downloaded from search. Okay, so once it is done, what is going to happen? Everyone will shout done, 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 done. Okay, so once everyone is done, yes.
So a list will be created inside the board, right, sir?
Yeah, list will be created inside the board. So let me remove this again. Okay, so let me see if I can remove this, or I have archived it. So I'm doing it again. Okay, so first step is what? Can you also see the mind map which I have brought? No. Okay.
Now we can.
Okay, so we are going to play Giphy game. In Giphy game, first step is create Trello account. Yeah, create Trello account. Trello. Okay, second step is what? Second step is nothing but what we are going to do. We are going to create a workspace. Okay, so create workspace. Okay, third one is what? Third one is, once space is created, we will go inside the space. Okay, and let me open that up. Okay, wait a second, guys. Yeah, workspace and create workspace. Third step is click workspace and then board. Right, with me so far? What we did, clicked on workspace, then created on board. When we created created on board, create a new board. Okay, so the name of this new board was what?
Chatter.
Yeah, what was that? Chatter. Yeah, so you can name it anything. Okay,
Chatter.
yeah, you can name it as game only. Okay, so I just named the board as Chatter. Create board. So once board is done, you click on the board. Okay, so the next step is click on the board. Next step is click on the board. So what I'm doing right now, we are brainstorming, right? Brainstorming the rules. Okay, so create the board, then click on the board. Click on the board. Okay, fine. Once the board is created, we added it to some list. Okay, say we are going to name it.
Gaurav ji,
Yeah.
you're saying click on the board, right? So you click on chatter. I'm getting in mind a to-do list doing done. So where do I add?
Okay. Okay.
Nisha, I click on to-do list and then it started showing the same stuff what Gauravji had. So
So
you
you
can try
have to
that,
do
I
the
guess.
to-do. Even doing
Yeah,
is
yeah,
showing
do
the
the
same.
to-do one. For me, it was showing the same thing, but I guess ours is a free one and maybe not many features, I guess, just like Gauravji had.
Oh, really? You don't have?
We don't have
Okay.
few features what you're seeing.
Okay. But after clicking on to do, did you find that
Mhm.
board?
Yes.
Okay.
Nisha, if you click on to do, then you will be able to add, just like he did.
Okay, that I know I'm able to add, but it's coming under to-do. It's not coming that way. I
Yeah,
can do
yeah.
under
For me
doing
also,
or done.
it
No,
was the
my
same thing.
question is, I should do it under to-do, doing or done.
No, you should be doing it under to do. So this is for
Okay.
reference. Okay, this is for the reference. In the real time, these things you will find to do, doing, and done. So for now, that is not important. For now, the importance is that creating a card is important. Okay, so what I have done, so inside the workspace, we clicked on the board, and inside the board, we created a new board. And when we created a new board, what we did after creating the new board, we clicked on the board. Okay, so create a board. Once you are done with creating the board, click on the board. When you are inside the board, the sixth step, what you are going to do is this. Wait a second. This is the sixth step. What you are going to do is add a list. Okay, add a list. Add a list. So you can name anything, a list name. Say, for example, I named it as a test. So once a list is created, inside that list, you are going to create a card. Inside the list, you are going to create a card. Okay.
Mhm.
You see, it is asking for add a card. Yeah. So now click on
Mhm.
add a card. Are you following me, guys, with me so far? Till step
Yes.
number 7. Yeah, thank you so much. So once I created a card, I named it as chat. Okay, so everyone has to come till this point, but this point where you have created the list. You can, there is no compulsion that you name anything specific. You can name everything as a game, and come to this point, add another list. Now inside the list, you have created a card. Its name was, you can name it anything for test, is chat.
Chat.
So in chat, we have to go to attachment. So the moment I say the word from me is chat, everyone is going to go and write the word chat in the card, and then attach a Giphy. For Giphy attachment, what you are going to do, you can go to giphy.com, or you can go to google.com. You can search the GIF for the chatter. Okay, you have to download that, and you have to come back to Trello, and in attachment, you have to upload that. Okay, computer. So I have uploaded a Giphy. Okay.
Gauravji,
Yes, Rahul.
Gauravji,
So
Yes.
just
I have
copy the link and then paste it, right?
Let's come back. Yeah, Rahul. First, let's. What is the problem, Rahul?
I was able to add a card and everything, but it's saying to do again, as Nisha and other people are saying.
Yeah. So after that, go inside to do, and inside that to do, you will find the list. Did you find that? And it is asking for create the list. So let's understand from your point of view. Okay. So let me tell you how to do it. So Rahul, can you share your screen?
I can do it. I think so. Add a list. What list name did you do? It says add. Yeah.
You can name it anything as test. Okay. So within the test, below the test, there is another thing which is called as add another card. Okay. The moment you click on the another card, the moment you will click on the another card, what will happen? You can name it anything, and you click on that, and the moment you will click on that, the moment you will add a card. Okay, add a card, attach a Giphy. Okay, add a card and attach a GIF.
Where is the attachment button on this?
Okay, no worries. Here you go. So here you see the attachment, add to cart on the right hand side, members, labels,
Sir,
checklist.
we are not seeing this. We are not seeing this. I'm also trying to follow it.
Okay.
But I am not able to get to
So
this.
can you share your screen, Mayank?
Sure.
Yeah.
Share screen. Can you see me?
Not yet.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Let me stop my sharing. I think I was sharing now. Please share. Yeah, something is uploading. Yeah. So click on add a card. Click on here, add a card. And under to do, click on add a card. Just click over.
You want to click here?
Name it. Name it anything.
Okay.
Golf. Okay. Now click on add a card. Yeah. Now go back and click on the golf. Go back and click on the golf. So
okay,
once
this step we are missing.
Yeah. So here in attachment, now what is there before bringing the GIF, we have to go back to browser, to google.com, and we have to search about the golf, GIF golf. So go to google.com and search golf GIF.
Golf GIF.
Yeah. So you can either find it from gphy.com or yeah, you can take, and you have to take the funniest ones, attention grabbing one. Okay. And you have to download that. Yeah. You have to download that.
Interesting.
Save button is there. You can click on save. It will get downloaded. So generally what you can do instead of Google, it will give you the various stuff. So you can go to gphy.com as well. GIPHY.com. Yeah. Search for the golf.
Gaurav ji?
Just a second, Rahul. Yeah. Take anyone, whatever you like. Okay, download that. Don't copy the link. Okay, you can copy the link as well. Yeah, yeah. And go back
how do
to
I download it?
You just
if I want to download it.
Okay, simply right click on the photograph and say save image as.
Right click on the photograph.
Yeah. Something happened. I really don't know. Yeah. Save image as.
Save link, copy link.
No. Save image as. Yeah. Image as. Yeah. Open image in new tab just below that. So copy link address below that.
Okay.
Open. No.
Create save link as, copy link as.
Save just below that. Yes. So yeah, here you name it anything and just save.
Now I go back here.
Yeah. So you have stopped your screen share, is it?
Did I?
Yeah. So everyone is following what Mayank was doing. Yeah. And that's how you have to do as well, guys. Mayank, can you reshare your screen?
1 second. Where did my Trello account go? Okay.
Okay.
I think I accidentally deleted my Trello account.
Okay. Don't tell me. This is only just setup part. We have not come to the game yet.
No, I know. Yeah. I didn't delete it. Maybe I signed out, I guess.
Okay, Rahul, meanwhile, you just tell what you were telling. Yeah?
Sir, I was able to download the image as Mayank did as an attachment. But in my case, what it's the problem is, it's showing as a text, but it's not showing the image. Only if you click it, then the image comes up.
Okay. So let's do, can you share your screen quickly? While Mayank is not sharing. Yeah, that's the reason I'm asking you.
Okay, hold on.
So guys, you rest of you all are following what we are doing and you are up to this step. Chanchal, Nisha,
Yes.
Priya and Dipti. Thank you.
Yes, I have
Thank you.
uploaded
Yes.
the chat.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I uploaded the link of the image.
Okay. And you were able to do that successfully, right? Yeah.
I'm not able to upload a saved image. Like
Okay.
when I'm doing attachment, it's not giving me to select from my folder which I saved.
Okay. No worries. But you were able
Just
to.
copy the
I'm
link.
able to
Just
put the
copy the
link.
link and it would work.
Yeah, link worked, but it's
Okay,
not allowing
awesome.
me to upload.
So just delete it, Rahul. Just delete this one.
Delete this image.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want me to add a link? That's better, right?
That's better. Yeah, you can do that.
So delete it. Okay, and then
Delete that. Go to attachment. So here you can put the link
okay,
of.
yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. So that
I'll
will.
do chatter again.
Yeah. Open that up.
Copy link address. Okay.
No. Just open that up.
Yeah, I did. This is my image here.
Open that up.
What?
Click on that.
Click on it. Okay.
Okay. Here you
Yeah.
find the copy link on the
Right
right
click.
hand side. Right
Copy
side.
link address.
No.
Yeah.
Not that one. Under
Save
favorite.
images, 2 down.
Wait a second, Mayank. So if you are going to paste the link, there is favorite icon, there is copy link, there is media, there is embed. Okay, just
Yeah, it says copy link address, right? This is
no.
fine.
Just come out of click somewhere else. Click. Yeah. So here you see, don't click again. Right click. Don't do right click. I'm giving you how to identify the link. So can you see the Facebook icon? Can you see the Instagram icon? Can you see the total views? On the right side,
Mhm.
right side,
Yes,
right
yes,
side.
yes, yeah.
So just above that, media copy link is there. Your link is copied now. Go back to Trello.
Just click copy link here, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. You have got the GIF link now, and shorter link is also there.
So go on
Co-
chat. Okay.
So copy these links, short link or GIF link, any of them. Okay.
I'll do this.
Okay.
Copy. Okay.
Copy. Go back to Trello.
Okay.
And-
do an attachment.
Yeah.
Go on it. And then do say copy link address.
No.
right?
No. You don't do right clicks. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
here.
Yes. Paste that. Yeah. And
that.
click on attach. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. So come down and say done. Whatever done, save whatever it would be there. If it is not there, simply close it. Simply close it. Close button is there up right corner on this overlay. This is called as
Yes.
overlay. Go up on
I
the
got it,
top.
got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Close. And your card is created. Guys, you follow this? Yeah. Everyone.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Okay. So the main idea is that now the game is going to start. Okay. So since Rahul was doing this, Rahul, you need to stop sharing. Okay. You need to stop sharing, and everyone. So stop sharing on Zoom is there. Yeah. So everyone now pay attention. I understood that you have understood till here all the steps. Okay. So I will call out Rahul's name. Other than chat, what we are going to do, Rahul is going to speak one keyword. It could be anything, working late night work. Okay. It could be anything. Okay. So come up with any random words. We are going to take a note of that, and you need to remember what you have told. Okay. You need to tell what you have told. Okay. Just in notepad, you are going to write the name of those words. Then you will be given 2 minutes. And in this 2 minutes, we are going to identify all the GIFs of the corresponding keyword, corresponding words you guys have spoken up. And we are going to upload the GIF of that. Yes, with me so far?
Yes.
So we just
Okay.
make a note of all the
I'm
words and then
confused.
we'll be given 2 minutes for the
Yeah.
upload, right?
Yeah. So now the first round is that speaking up a word. It will be started by Rahul. We will take a note that in notepad. Once we have taken a note, Rahul will call out someone's name. That person will again shout out some word. We are going to take a note of that. That person will shout out again someone's name, and we are going to take a note of that word. Okay. When the person shouts out the word, what we are going to do, our timer will start for 2 minutes, and we will work in Trello. We will upload all the corresponding words GIF. Cool.
But all will be a new card.
All will be a new card. Add a new card, new card, new card. All will be a new card. Okay.
Sure.
With me so far? Just say yes, unmute everyone, and say yes if you are with me. You followed. Yeah, man. You have question? Ask.
Yes.
And the
Okay,
words
okay.
have to be
Yes.
related to test, or it can be any random word.
Any random word. Okay. Any random word. Now come out of the current, learning zone and come into fun zone. Okay. Fun zone is the new learning zone. Cool. So not necessary. It should be technical word only. All right. So ready, steady. 1, 2, 3. Rahul, go. Your word. Chess. Okay. Everyone take a note of the word chess. Rahul has to remember this name that he has told. So once done, call out someone's name, Rahul. Unmute and call out someone's name.
Mayank.
Mayank.
Beach. Dipti.
B.
Green.
Call out someone's name, Dipti.
Priya.
Priya.
Horse.
What was your word?
Horse. The animal horse.
Okay, horse. Okay, call out someone's name.
Chanchal.
Chanchal.
Desert.
Desert. Okay. Call out someone's name.
Nisha.
Nisha.
Happy.
Happy. Okay.
Karaji.
Okay, fine. So working late. Okay. So now everyone has got 2 minutes of time. Everyone has got 2 minutes of time. So in that you have to upload. So time has started.
G. Oh.
I'm done.
Cool. So everyone done? Anyone needs some time?
I'm also done.
I have to do one more.
Okay. So once done, please confirm. All right. So everyone has added their GIF. Yes.
Sir, I'm behind.
Okay, Rahul. Take a moment, few moment. Yeah. You have few more seconds to go.
I'm done.
Okay. Rahul, you are also done now? All right. So what we are going to do is now is this. So I'm going to call out someone's name. Okay. And that person is going to share his screen. And once, and he is going to present what you have uploaded for what. Okay. And based on that, what you are going to do is every one of us going to give some random number in your notepad. Okay. So write down the name of the person and understand the collection she has made or he has made, and between 1 to 5 you have to give them overall ranking between 1 to 5, 1 being not happy and 5 being wow, 5 being awesome collection, something like that. Okay, so yeah, I will call Nisha's name. Nisha, you have to share your screen and you have to show all the
Gauravji, I'm doing the
cards.
work on my laptop and I'm logged in through my tablet. So I'm not able to share. Should I do a
So
I don't know.
so can you log into, because the things will be missed out, you know, the entire element
So
of
let
this.
me log in from my laptop on Zoom again.
Yeah. So meanwhile, I'm giving further more time, guys. So if you want to change your GF, you can do that and let Nisha join back in. So you have further extra minutes and you can add something new if you want to change some.
So can I ask you a question?
Yes, Dipti, go ahead.
So what happened? I attached the GIF and it was moving. When I attached them, it is not moving. I mean, it should be funny, right? The way yours were moving, right? So when I was attaching,
Can you
just
share
like-
your screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm not concerned, but I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
It's okay for me if it.
It's okay for you right now?
Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to ask that question. See, for chess, see like this, right?
Yeah.
When we were doing to-do list for chat, I did blah blah blah, and
Okay.
for this, and then for chess kid, I did this. So when I selected them that time, they were moving, but now it's not. It's just like a frozen image kind of thing.
Okay.
So is that okay?
No, it should be movable. So can you refresh that? Can you refresh your browser?
Okay, I can do that. Yeah, let me see. It's not moving.
Okay. So forget about that. What you can do is that if you have more than 5-6 images, while you are sharing, don't click on the optimize screen share. What you can do is that move some card from to do to doing. Okay. Move some card from to do to doing. So you can move another card also under doing. Okay. And if you think some of the card is the best card, move them to the done.
Okay.
So everyone please follow this. So you have total how many? 6 card, I believe. And in that 6 card, I want you to do that. Keep some card into to do and move few card into doing, and move you think are the best choice from your end into done. And if some extra cards are there, you can simply remove them. Yeah. So if it is done now, how many total cards are there with you, Dipti?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Including mine, 10. Sorry, 9.
We don't wish it should not have 10 card. It should have
No, these two are like the previous one, and these from chess to working late is the latest one.
So can you remove the remaining cards right now?
Yeah.
Go ahead quickly, and everyone please remove the
Which
cards.
screen? I
You will
can
have
click
to
on any screen.
make them archive. So click on the archive. Dipti.
Where archive?
Archive is there, the last list.
Are you
On the right side, there is a
yes,
list.
yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
tech?
Okay.
Yeah, so mainly, they're into research.
So in doing, I have 4
A lot of
cards,
science
and
in that.
for
BSc,
this I have 3 cards.
Mhm.
So total
Bachelor's in
7 cards now.
Yeah. So can you pull few in to do so that the view will be whole for your screen?
Yes.
So yeah, pull some other 2 card. Okay. Now little bit move up, scroll up at your end. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have seen all the cards. Happy is there, working too late is there, and what else? Chess is there,
Beach.
desert is there, beach is there, and horse is there. You have presented your screen right now. What we are going to do in overall, we have to rank someone high. Okay, we not high, we have to rank overall between 1 to 5. So whatever you all think about this presentation, this choices, just rank them 1 to 5. Don't tell that. Just type Dipti's name and rank this entire GIF collection. Okay, 1 to 5. Once done, Dipti, you have to also do that. You can stop screen share right now
Sure.
and just give yourself ranking between 1 to 5.
Okay.
In the notepad.
Yes, I did that.
Okay, so now if you have done, I believe everyone is done. So shout out someone's name, call out someone's name, and that person is going to share the screen.
I think Nisha was working. So I'm gonna call Gaurav. No, not you. Sorry.
Okay.
Rahul.
So I'm the facilitator.
Uh-huh.
So you can you should not be calling my name. So
Okay,
yeah,
sorry about
Nisha
that.
was doing. So Nisha, can you share?
I think we can give her a little time. So Rahul can do that maybe.
Okay, Rahul, your time is up. Whatever you have done, so it has to be time box 2 minutes. More than that, we should not be giving. But still, we gave you some what do you call some buffer time. Still, you have to share whatever you have done. Rahul, can you hear us? You need to unmute yourself if you are speaking on mute, please.
Yes, I'll share. It's not complete, sir. I think I'm out of the game.
Whatever. No, you are not out of the game. Whatever you have done, please share that. So you have not added you have added something in green. Can you show that? Scroll that and show us. You can see the scroller, right? Your horse is walking, and
Yes.
just move it up. Okay, so forget about the chat. Come down. Yeah, this is your chess. Present to us. What is what? Okay.
But I mean, this is the chess, right? You can see it, right?
Yeah, we can see that. Next, please.
The beach.
Mhm. Quickly present us.
This is green color.
Okay.
The horse.
Okay. Where is okay? Working too late is not there. So few cards are missing. That's okay. Thank you so much. You can stop and you can give yourself total ranking. Okay. Stop screen share first and open the notepad. Stop screen share first.
And give the overall ranking, right?
Yeah, stop the screen share first and open the notepad. In that, write down your name and give overall ranking to yourself, and also make sure that you have already given the ranking to Dipti between 1 to 5. So once that is done, call out someone's name.
Deepthi.
Dipti is done. Dipti is done.
Okay. Okay, we'll call Chanchal.
Chanchal, yes, share your screen please, Chanchal.
Yes.
Superb.
This
Yeah.
is chess.
Mhm.
Desert, I need to change it. So I've done into doing. This is
Okay.
working late.
Okay.
This is happy, green color,
Okay.
horse,
Okay.
and beach.
Amazing. Okay, cool. So you can stop your screen share and rank yourself between 1 to 5, and rest of all also type in your notepad Chanchal's name and give ranking between 1 to 5. Okay, once that is done, Chanchal, you have given yourself ranking. Dipti and Rahul, shout out someone's name.
Priya.
Priya, please share your screen.
Yeah.
Priya.
Yeah. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. I'm not sure if I did this right, but this is what I did.
Mhm. Please present by scrolling one by one.
Yeah, chess, horse, desert,
Mhm.
happy, working too late, beach, and green.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. You can stop screen share and you can stop your screen share. Once stopped, then open the notepad. So please stop the screen share. We can, okay. So now open the notepad, give yourself ranking between 1 to 5, and make sure that you have given ranking to Chanchal, Rahul, and Dipti. Once ranking is done, what you are going to do is call out Nisha or Mayank's name, any one of them.
Mayank.
Mayank. Please share your screen, Mayank. Okay. So Mayank, can you please walk us through on the screen?
I'm just trying to unmute. So we had the beach, then for chess, we have.
Where is the beach? We couldn't see the beach.
No, the first one was golf. The first one was chess.
Okay.
Chess. Now, this is from Netflix, Gambit. If everybody's seen it or not, I don't know.
Yeah.
Then this is a very famous movie, beach scene. Mm-hmm. Then Grow Green Lantern is a good favorite movie of mine. Then you have a golden looking horse, which is a very unique horse. Then you have a dessert, cookies, chocolate cookies, can't go wrong with that. Okay. Happy kids, kid being happy with the cookie. Okay. And late is being an alien in a desert and flying and having coffee and getting ready to work. So okay, cool. So stop your screen share, open. Once you stop, then okay, now open the notepad, give yourself ranking between 1 to 5, and also make sure that you have given the ranking to Chanchal, Priya, Rahul, and Dipti. So once you are done, then call out Nisha's name, please. Mayank, you will have to unmute. Nisha. Yeah. Nisha, please share your screen now. Please present to us. What is what?
You will have to unmute yourself to speak up if you're speaking something, because we can't hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, now reshare the screen. Yes, and
Yeah,
present us what is what.
Horse,
Okay.
chest,
Okay.
desert,
Okay.
green, beach,
Mhm,
happy,
mhm.
chat, speak. One
All
minute, let me
right.
see. I had one working late also. I don't know
It's
where it's gone. Here, working late.
okay. Okay, fine. Fantastic. So yeah, you can stop the screen share. Stop the screen share and open the notepad. Give yourself ranking. Once ranking is done, okay, between 1 to 5, make sure you have given ranking to Mayank, then Priya, and Rahul, and Dipti, and Chanchal as well. Okay, so if that is done from your end, Nisha, you can unmute yourself and you can tell me that it is done. Nisha, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, done.
Okay, so now it's done. Tell me the highest rank scorer person's name.
Mayank.
Mayank. Cool. Mayank. So tell me in your list who is the highest scorer person.
Mayank.
Okay. So fantastic. Call us someone's name, Mayank.
Deepti.
Okay.
For me, it's three. It's me, then Mayank, and Chanchal.
No. Tell me the highest scorer person.
Yeah, for me, I gave 5 to all three of us. I gave 5 to Mayank, I gave 5 to Chanchal, and I gave 5 to myself also.
Super. Now, call out someone's name.
Priya?
Priya.
Yeah, it's I have given 5 to 2 people, so that's Chanchal and Mayank.
Okay, and call out someone's name.
Rahul.
Rahul. Okay, Rahul. Tell me your highest scorer person's name.
Chanchal.
Chanchal. Okay, now Rahul, you have to tell us why you have given the highest ranking to Chanchal. Oh no, sorry. Hang on. I think Chanchal is missing. Chanchal, just call out Chanchal's name. Yeah.
So I have given Mayank and Priya.
Okay.
Yes.
You have given Mayank and Priya. Okay. Now tell us, Chanchal, that why you have given Mayank and Priya one by one.
Basically, what the keyword was for all the members, so it was appropriate for both of them. So what they have presented as a GIF, so it was appropriate.
So for both
that's
of
why I have given. Yes.
Both of them same reason, and that's why you
Yes.
gave them
Yes.
both the reason. Okay, fine. So what is different from Priya and Mayank? What is different between Priya and Mayank?
I think for Mayank, it's more attractive than Priya. Yeah.
Thank you. Chanchal, call out someone's name now.
Nisha.
Nisha, please tell Nisha by unmuting yourself that why you gave Mayank highest score.
Because his pictures were very appropriate, meaningful, and hilarious too.
Appropriate, meaningful, and hilarious. Thank you. Call out someone's name.
Rahul.
Rahul, you will have to unmute yourself and you will have to tell that whoever is the highest scorer in your list, why the person is the highest scorer.
Well, Chanchal had all correct and it has all the pictures were appealing. So mine was equally good, but I think he got one desert wrong. Most of us said desert as that, desert. Hers was dessert. Like a dessert, like sweet thing. So that's what I thought.
Okay.
I have a question, Chanchal. What did you actually mean? Desert or dessert?
Desert, not dessert. It's desert, not a sweet dish.
So I understood that correct.
Okay, fine.
I like
fine.
sweets. What to do?
So no worries. Rahul, call out someone's name. Rahul, you will have to unmute yourself. Call out someone's name quickly. We are running really short of time. I thought I would share 2 games. So yeah.
I think we called everyone's name, right? Dipti, I guess.
Okay. Dipti, now tell us that why you have chosen 3 names, and just give me a moment. Give me a moment before you start. Okay, give me a moment,
Okay,
please.
sure.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm back. So yeah, Dipti, if you can hear me, just please start sharing that.
Yeah,
Why
I
you
gave Mayank 5 because I thought that it was like funny. All his gifs was funny, and I enjoyed them. I gave Chanchal 5 because the difference, she only knew the difference, desert or dessert. Okay. So because all of us thought that it's a sweet thing, but she only thought that it's like a sandy thing. Okay.
Okay.
So I gave her 5, and I also like her gifs, and I gave myself 5 because I finished writing. I mean, I finished that, but I didn't say that to you because I thought that you extended the time, and I started experimenting. So I gave myself 5 because every picture was appropriate for me, and at the same time I could finish that in time.
Okay, cool. Call out someone's name, Dipti.
I think only Mayank is left now.
Mayank is left, and Priya is also left, I guess. Yeah. So yeah,
Oh yes,
Mayank.
sorry.
Yeah,
So
Mayank.
Mayank, yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. Why you gave Mayank the highest score? Yeah, tell
I
me.
gave mine, but I think mine were a little bit cleaner. My jiffies were working. Some of the other one jiffies were not working. And maybe I was a little biased.
No, be honest. Why you gave yourself? One part was it was working for you. It was tidy. What else?
Like all the jiffies were working, and I thought they were appropriate.
Yeah.
So all the other ones I liked, but they were not organized well. Some were up and down. Mine were straight in a line, easy to read, and that's what I thought.
Yes. Thanks. Call out someone's name, please. Priya.
Yeah, I liked Mayank's and Chanchal's work both equally. Both were actually detail oriented and funny at the same time.
Okay. And what was the difference between Chanchal and Mayank?
Mayank's was a little more appropriate to what you gave us, like the hilarious part. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. I would now, at this point of time, if you can switch on your camera, you can switch on, and let's give a big round of applause for everyone of work. Okay, so it's awesome job. Thank you so much, Dipti, for enthusiasm. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much, guys. Awesome job. The thing is that now you can keep your camera on because we are going to do some coaching part over here. So coaching part now begins. The learning part now begins. So I want to now ask Priya. Priya, what was your major learning into this? Priya, you will have to unmute.
I'm sorry. I meant teamwork and collaboration.
Teamwork and collaboration. Okay. Give a Priya a virtual high five saying that you are awesome, Priya. Okay. So I am also giving you are awesome, Priya. Okay. You are awesome. My cam is not there. I think you're awesome. Thank you. So yeah. Priya, call out someone's name, please.
Nisha.
Nisha. Yes. You will have to unmute and speak up and tell us that what was
is this similar to the planning poker cards in the sprint planning, what we had learned? When there is one particular topic and everybody has different opinions, you take the highest score or try to get everybody to that same highest score. If you have 3 of them, you keep on doing it on and on until everybody reaches one common score.
Yeah. So that was one thing. That was the insight. That was the relevance. But what was your learning, Nisha, in this
Teamwork.
teamwork? And the one thing is that no one has to repeat what one person has shared, that what you have learned in this game. So you will have to come up with the new learning, new insight. You can think of that. Yeah. What else you can think that was the learning for you?
Creative.
Creative. Okay. Creative is your learning. Be creative. Okay. Thank you so much. So give a virtual high five to Nisha, stating that you are creative. You are creative. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, Nisha, please call out someone's name, please.
Chanchal.
Chanchal. Yes. So Chanchal, you can share your learning.
Yes, my learning is time management. To complete
Time
in
management. Superb, superb. Just give a round of applause and give high five that you are an amazing time manager. Yeah, give a virtual high five like this. Both the hands coming to the camera and saying that you are an amazing time manager. Okay, thank you, thank you. And you too can receive Chanchal like giving a virtual lens high five. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So call out someone's name, please.
Dipti.
Dipti, share your learning, Dipti.
I thought that things might go wrong, just like for me it happened, the GIF did not work, but still you have to be positive, focused, and be confident that whatever you did, it's like
okay,
you
so
did it correctly.
Okay, what was the learning? What did you learn?
What, things might go wrong, but still stay positive.
Okay, so
and finish your task.
Finish your task. Okay, and don't assume as well. That's what thing may go wrong. Means that's the assumption, right?
Right.
It may go wrong. So if things will go wrong, what you should do if that's your thought?
Yeah, that's what I did, right? For me, GIF wasn't working, but still I did whatever was there, right? Like chess, beach, green, horse. So I presented myself the way you guys, everyone was telling, right? Like chess has to be there, horse has to be there. So I presented myself, and then I explained on time that it did not work, but still I tried my best.
Yeah. So your thing is that present in time, is it?
Yeah, present in time, and like try to do whatever it was said to do, right? Sometimes it may not work, but still do your best.
Do your best. Okay. So you are best action taker is the word. So please give a virtual lens high five stating that you are the best action taker. You are the best action taker. Guys, please involve. And this is not thumbs up. I want you to give the high five. Okay. I want to give the high five. There is reason. Body moves, right? When body moves, you are doing what? You are creating a momentum in your physiology. Physiology creates your psychology. Psychology leads to the success. So every single, connection is there in whatever we do in kind of a game. Okay, so let's give once again a camera high five to Dipti, stating that, verbalize that you are an amazing action taker, Dipti. Yeah. So bring some energy, guys. Bring some energy. Let me tell you, I hardly sleep more than 4 hours. Okay. And still you can see the level of energy I have. Hardly sleep more than 4 hours. Okay. Can anyone challenge me to beat up the energy level? You can find me at 4:30 a.m. awake. Okay. My father was in ICU. I was there in awake. I was pulling the energy and putting the energy in his body as well. So guys, I want your complete enthusiasm and complete participation. Okay, so are you going to do this with me so far? Yes, come on, keep yourself pumping up. Okay, Dipti, call out someone's name, please.
Who is left? Rahul is left.
Rahul, what was your learning? You will have to unmute yourself.
Time boxed and challenging.
Time boxed and challenging. That was your learning. Okay, so challenging is not the learning. Challenge is relevance. Challenging is something insight, or you can say, you know, thought process. Learning is time box. I can understand things has to be in the time box. So if you think the challenging is the learning, then can you describe it?
It was challenging because you have to come up with, you know, various funny photographs and images which are live, and then also in a time box, which shows your creativity and time management also.
So do you say that conquer your challenge should be your learning? Yes.
Yes, I would say so.
Conquer your challenge. So let's give him a virtual high five, stating that you are challenge achiever or challenge conqueror. So let's give a virtual high five. Rahul, please receive that with the high five self. Yeah, on the lens. Okay, thank you so much. Awesome. Call out someone's name, please.
Don't know. Mayank.
So obviously learning a new tool, Trello, then I felt it was kind of a process. Once you follow the process, like, you know, add this, that, and then the other important thing I felt was attention to detail. The link is not working, then you copy the link. Sometimes one link was working, the other was not working, so you had to delete it, remove it. So, you know, little piece of attention to details. I guess those are the things which come to my mind.
Yes, an awesome compilation of learning. Okay, so let's give a virtual high five to Mayank, and he is going to receive with the virtual high five, stating that you are an awesome learner. You are an awesome learner. Yeah, thank you. Mayank, call out someone's name.
I think it's you left.
No, it's Priya, I guess. Priya, you're done?
Yes, you started with me, sir. So yeah.
Okay, fine. So thank you so much for your participation. Let's give a big round of applause to every one of us. You have done a great job. But not only with this limitation, everyone has derived up with the different stuff. What all we were learning. Let me quickly grab this mind map once again in front of you. What was the learning part? The learning part is this. So what I'm going to do, I'm pulling this. You can see my screen, right? Show me thumbs up if you can. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is this. I copied all, I cut them all and pasted inside OneNote. I'll name it that card names, and inside this, I will put all the cards. So card has gone inside. Now the learning. So learning what we all had is amazing. Project will come and initial part which none of you have told. Okay. And from my end, let me be honest and tell you that Mayank's cards were really appealing. That's the number one. Mayank's card were, very connecting, appealing, connecting. And, when you touches someone's emotion, it becomes your one. Okay, so that's the another keyword. So how did he touch people's emotion? Did you find his card connected with your emotions as well? Connected with you? How many of you agree with this? Did you find his card connected with your emotion? How? Because it was expressive as well. Apart from being only Jiffy, it was expressive as well. But still, in my side, Mayank should not be highest scorer. Can someone tell me that why? Okay, why? Because Mayank has done great job. Okay, but still, the thing is that it was Chanchal who followed every single thing. She had cleaned the extra, whatever the extra cards were there. I was explaining to Dipti and everyone, asking that the requirement was getting pitched in. Okay. So in Agile world, what will happen when you will go to demonstration, when you are demonstrating your product to your client? okay, and client is giving some feedback, you are taking notes and you become the implementer, go back and implement it immediately. So Chanchal's board was bit tidy up. It did not have the extra element, I believe. And what else was there? So things were moved properly. 2 or 3 pieces were there in every single doing and done part. So that's the second part thing. Third, it was also time box. The fourth one was what? She implemented the requirement, and when the desert became the piece of argument, you guys assumed. Okay, so what should have been done? Since I was giving you time, any question, do you need more time? None of you cross question. Okay, so somewhere we go at the deeper level, we assume that, and that's how it happens in the project as well. Agree with me so far? Somehow slightly automatic, means our thought goes in automation mode and we simply assume the things. Yes, with me so far? Yes, are you able to connect with me, guys? Hello? Yeah, thank you so much. So you can unmute in between and you can speak up as well. So the major learning is this, because no one, this has come into Dipti's lessons also. Do not assume, especially when it comes to the project. Please do not assume, because it may become hazardous. because client is involved, revenue is involved, and it may harm at the deeper level. That's number two. That's number one. And number two is that every project has to be time boxed. Even though I asked few people were the winner, like Dipti said, Dipti gave her first ranking just because she was time boxed, and she said whatever is available, present that, demo that. Agree with me? Are you able to relate with me? Yes, guys. Any expression? I can see Priya, Dipti, and who else? Okay, thank you Chanchal and Nisha. Thank you. Mayank, I couldn't see your expression or something. You are there with me? You are able to hear? Okay. I judged your lip sync. Okay. So time boxed.
I'm here.
Yeah, thank you. So time boxed was there. Don't assume is there. Then challenge, what Rahul said, and Mayank said that you have to conquer the challenge. You have to be creative. Okay. So everything, put some soul into that in your work. Like I could see in Mayank's work, he put the soul equivalently. Chanchal has done so. So great job. For me, even though Chanchal was the winner, she has put everything together. She was stick with the requirement. I could more at deeper level connect with whom? Connect with Mayank, because it brought smile on my face. Also, Mayank's Chanchal's presentation brought the smile, but Mayank's presentation brought the broader smile. And that's not the reason for Mayank to be not the winner in front of me. Only because of the requirement. She adjusted the requirement. She became the winner for me. Okay? Because ultimately clients require what? My requirement should be met. Yes? Do you agree with me? So you have to keep this in eye. And when you combine the skill what Chanchal had and Mayank had, you are a great team. Do you agree with me? And when you put Dipti's mind in that, guys, come on, and do it in timely fashion. When this skill will join in, how the project would be. Agree with me so far? Now, I want to hear from you, since I have summed up each and everything, what you have to say. Okay, what you have to say. So I'll call out everyone's name and would request you to speak up. What you have to say, whatever learning and everything I have summed up. Dipti.
I would say team Sorry, I would say teamwork is extremely important. At the same time, you have to focus on your work also. What is your task, and then just do it, finish it up.
Super. Okay. Call out someone's name once again.
Nisha.
Nisha.
Time box and creative. Be time boxed and creative.
Be time box and creative. Super. Call out someone's name.
Chanchal.
Chanchal.
Yeah, for me, don't assume, and also fulfill the requirement what client is saying. So yeah.
Yeah, major. Yes, call out someone's name. What do you
Mayank.
Mayank, what do you have to say?
I would say listen.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Nisha.
Nisha is done.
Oh, Priya.
Priya.
Yes, be clear with the requirements, put in your 100%, ask your questions, and yeah, give it your 100%.
Awesome. Call out someone's name.
I think Rahul is left.
Yeah, Rahul.
I would say time box and don't assume.
That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, you have been really super awesome, and I truly love this game playing with you. How many of you love this game? Brought so many insights and learning, right? Yeah. Mayank, did you learn? Did you enjoy this game with learning? Yeah. You did not raise your hand.
I did enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. What about you, Rahul? Rahul, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, what did you say?
I said that, did you enjoy this game and learn something? Although you shared, was it useful? Was it useful for you? Thank you. Thank you so much. So I wanted to, cover up 3 games with you all, but we have again, we couldn't find it time boxed. So what we are going to do is that we will end today. Think about that, whatever the learning you have grabbed. Okay, it's so much serious. If you will put together in your work, you are going to have a great team, because all of you are the skilled guys. Why skilled guys? Because you have brought so much amazing learning together. Yeah. And this is very, very important. Remember, as a Scrum Master, if tomorrow you are going to be, this is how you have to pull what? Learning and apply it to next sprint. Chanchal, Nisha, and Mayank. Did you get me? Yeah? Come on. Energy, energy, energy. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. And energy is very, very important, so that you can bring everyone together. If your energy is down, the projects and teams' energy may go down. So your energy is very, very important. You are leader. Okay. Every one of you are leader. And every project needs a highly energetic leader. And I expect you to be the one. Okay. So on this note, we are since ending this. Next time, what we are going to do, we are going to do an awesome city tour. So city tour, this is night for you. Remember one city which will be awake, and we are going to do a live tour. You are going to present us. Okay. How it is going to happen in the next session, we are going to see that. Okay, cool. So now, Rahul, just tell one word for today's session. One word. You can unmute yourself and then speak up.
Mind blowing.
Mind blowing. Okay, call out someone's name, please. We couldn't hear.
Mayank.
Mayank. One word.
Focused, Chanchal.
Fun, Nisha.
Practical learning, Priya.
Power packed,
Call out.
Dipti.
Very enjoyable. I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you. Call out.
Thank you so much. And yes, Gaurav-ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And it was really power packed, and I loved contributing to you. And if you think that I have added value, I believe Nisha and Chanchal had been with me to one-to-one. And in case any one of you, even after the session gets over, even after your courses gets over, you need any kind of time, any point of time, any support, I think you guys have my appointment scheduling system. You can connect with me for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, get the things clarified from my end, and have an awesome life and time. And thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. And we'll talk to you soon.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
You told that you don't sleep more than 4 hours,
Yes.
There are a lot of studies which say that is not necessarily a very good thing.
Okay. We'll
As
talk
you
to
get
you.
older, your body will get older.
Okay. So let me tell you, go and do, it's not about the debate. Go at deeper level and search about the sleep cycles. Okay. Sleep cycles. And you will come to know about it. Okay. And some myths will get busted. Cool. So new learning is sleep cycle. Okay. 1.5 hours, 20 minutes or something more detail is there. So there are 9 sleep cycles. We'll talk to you about this some other day. Okay. So bye-bye guys. We'll talk to you on Thursday. Yeah, bye.
All
See
right,
you.
thank you. Have a good day and good night, everyone.
Yes. Rahul, I'll wait for you. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Yes, Rahul ji. Yes, tell me. So did you see my message, Rahul?
No, I didn't.
On WhatsApp.
Yes. I'll take it. I was busy,
Can you quickly check your WhatsApp message while we are going to discuss something? Just read that and then we'll go to the discussion.
Yeah. You have just said that the point I was going through within text, the point that I could not really understand whose comment is what is the review comment. So we prepare for tomorrow. We might require to spend some time together to go through that to understand the problem. That is number one. Number two, if this is the communication comment which you have shared with the name rhythm document, then the fourth layer of corporation reference. Fourth layer of communication you need to have from previously shared documents from you and as your template. If these information are not yet clear, join, let's connect post our training tonight. Okay, yes.
Okay, so you have read that. So meanwhile, what I'm going to do, recording is still going on, and some document which we are going to look at. So that is not recommended to be shared on, because this video recording will be shared with other people as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this recording right now. Okay, and then we'll share this